Hi kids, this is Teacher Pri and welcome to Beyond the Books Learning. What are we going to do today? Today we are going to learn about talking in the past tense. Now, why do we make sentences in the past tense and why is it so important to learn this tense and to make sentences in it? So, it's very easy and if you do not want to miss it, keep watching the video till the end and yes, do subscribe to Beyond the Books Learning to stay connected. Now, let's get started. The first and the most important things, what is past tense? So the actions that you have already finished, that you have already completed, okay, they are in the past. And now if you want to talk about it, you cannot make sentences in just any tense. For that, a specific tense will be used and that is past tense. So if you're telling a story, it means actions have already happened. Now you're telling the events to people. So in order to make stories, interesting stories, in order to talk about the past events, past activities, you have to learn how to make sentences in the past tense. So that is why we are going to learn it today. So this video will be divided into two parts as the actions are basically the verbs that we will be using are of two types. Regular verbs and irregular verbs. So today we are going to learn about the regular verbs and how to use them in your sentences. In the next video, I will be continuing with this topic by telling you how to make past tense sentences with irregular verbs. So, the first and the most important part is the actions. Basically, we tell people the actions that we do. Play, study, dance, cook, eat. What are these? These all are the actions. But the actions, these are also known as verbs. Okay, so verbs are nothing but the actions that you do, okay, or that you've already done or that you'll be doing. Basically, the actions that you're planning, that you have done or that you're doing is the verb. Okay, so first we will learn about regular verbs. How do we change the forms into past tense? In the regular verb, the verbs and the actions that you say, they do not get changed. You just add ed to the end. And that's it. You're ready to make the sentences. You're good to go. So let's see some examples and practice it. I play with my friends yesterday. Now something is missing here. I said play. How will you change the verb play into past tense? Yes, that's correct. You'll have to add ed to the end and it will be in the past tense. I played with my friends yesterday. So now do you understand? When you add ed to the verbs, they transform into past tense and then you can make the sentences very easy. It's super simple, right? Now, let's see if you can do it or not. See some examples and try to solve it by yourself. You will be having 5 seconds to guess the answer. Okay? So try to do it by yourself. If not, then you do it with me. Cooked. Wonderful. Walked. Well done. Played. Waited. Danced. Landed. Well done, kids. You've done a great job. And I think now you're ready to make sentences with regular verbs. Now what you have to do, just keep practicing, and if you still have doubt, you can tell me in the comment section and I'll try to solve it. Or you can go and watch this video one more time. Okay? Now, I'll be back with another video where we'll be learning how to make past tense sentences with irregular verb. So stay tuned and do subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. I'll see you very soon. Bye bye, take care, keep practicing and keep learning.